So I just finished doing my hair. It's like super duper curly, but that's okay because what I do is I usually end up leaving my hair like this until about 10-15 minutes before I leave, and then I basically take a brush and like brush through it, so then that way my hair is not as curly but it's still got some volume to it. So I absolutely love using my T3 wand. I actually did a review on this quite some time ago, so if you want to see that one, then I will leave it linked up top somewhere, and you can see my thoughts on the wand itself, but it's the only curling wand that I use. And as you guys obviously saw, I was doing my makeup, so I just used some super basic stuff for the conference day. I just wanted to go like more or less for a natural-ish look. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I didn't want to wear fake lashes or anything like that, just because I didn't feel like it, and I thought this conference could go for a little bit more natural makeup. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually just going to have some breakfast. I don't even know what time it is right now. I think I've got probably about 45 minutes before I need to leave, but I have my dress already picked out, so once I get changed and everything like that, then I will show you what my final look is. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys an update on my outfit. I'm wearing this dress here. I've got some heels packed in my bag that I'm gonna leave in the car. I'm not too sure which ones I wanna wear yet, but this dress is from Aritzia, and again, see how my hair kind of like loosened out a little bit. I've been running my fingers through it. I did put a little bit of hairspray in. Just got some really basic accessories, just a bar necklace, my Daniel Wellington watch, and then just some little hoop earrings. So that's my outfit. I'm currently just wearing sandals because I don't want to wear them in the car, so I'll change when I get there into some shoes that I've packed in my bag. I have two options, so I'm going to ask my mom which one looks better with this dress. It's like a nice little wrap dress, super cute. All right, here we go.
Julie just like that everyone just stand up and start dancing. This is her favorite song.